Cooking with Therapy. I'm your host, Mercy352. And as it says on the screen, this proud and fan favorite only takes a few ingredients. So follow me into the kitchen and let's get this thing cracking. All right, here we are. So turn that around. You know what I'm saying, use whatever beverage you want. For most of the recipes for Drunken Mussels, you'll see we'll use wine. We'll use my all-time favorite. Got myself a nice beer, and sharpen this knife and get right off into it. So while we make this, just realize we are sticking to our tried and true positioning in life, and we're gonna relax when we do it. Here we got a stick of butter. I'm using salted. If you have high blood pressure or you just don't like a lot of salt, I'm just gonna use salted butter because it gives the mussels a robust flavor in the end. Put that on. Turn this bad baby on medium, just like that. Oh yeah, medium. I'm gonna move this one out of the way over here. I'm gonna get this onion chopped up. Now, what we're gonna slice this onion up into little slivers. All right, straight like that. I know y'all see my butter. It knows what's going down and it likes what I'm doing. Nice and easy. Take your time. Don't rush. You see me cutting rather quickly because I'm trying to avoid the tears in the kitchen. No onion, no cry. No onion, no cry. Go ahead and throw that onion in on top of that butter. We're going to saute this onion down nice and slow. Throw a little tablespoon of garlic in there, maybe 2 tablespoons. Garlic it to your flavor. We say profiles everything, right? So brown in there, let those onions get a little bit of that butter on them. Go ahead and saute and caramelize these onions real quick. That's what we like to do, right? I'm therapeutically engaged right now. Not a thing on my mind, but whipping this meal up. Using a little beef base. We're going to add a little flavor to this. Another tablespoon. We'll go ahead and put a tablespoon of this beef base right off in there. I choose the beef base. For me, it's a little less salty. Using like the bouillon, so go ahead and do it that way. I'm going to show you something. This is going to be a beautiful color to these onions once you put this base in. It's going to make a big difference once we put the liquid into the pot. Right? Absolutely outstanding. Those mussels, all the attention they deserve. Make this nice broth we're going to steam them in. It's like a stovetop steam, or you can call it whatever way you want. I call it like a stovetop steam. That's up to y'all. Y'all do what y'all call it what you want. It's your kitchen. Nobody can tell you what you do when you're cooking with therapy. All right, now you can use this recipe also for fresh mussels. Just make sure when you get fresh mussels that all your shells are closed, the shells are open. When you have fresh mussels, the mussel is bad. So just pay attention to that when you use fresh mussels for this recipe. I'm using the store-bought ones because I like to throw them in the freezer and know I got them later on down the road. So that's how I do my thing. Go ahead and dump this back. And there's plenty in here. This makes a nice portion, right? 3 or 4 people could have a little party off of these mussels real easy. Not saying that that's all we would have, like some crabs with it or some shrimp or something else on the side. Y'all follow my recipe for the smoked shrimp. That's a great way to add, a little more flavor to this meal. But today, this recipe, just go do the Drunken Mussels. I'll whip it around in that base. We're gonna move those onions around too, so they're seasoning everything. We want a full compilation when we get these mussels out. We want to taste flavors. All right, good to go. I'm gonna put a lid on this bad baby. We're gonna let that thing do what it does. Now, as it says, allow it to steam covered on medium low for approximately 30 minutes or until the shells pop open. Enjoy some music while you wait. This thing is looking outstanding. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna take this broth and whip it around, and we're gonna make sure we bless all of the mussels in the pot with a little bit of this broth on top. It's starting to open up, and we're gonna make sure that flavor gets in onto that mussel meat. What we're looking for is that nice blend of seasonings. Man, look at that. Look at where these onions just falling all over the top. Onions don't know what to do with themselves. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 if I say so myself. Look at this. Now look, I'm gonna pour this up real close for y'all. Lean close to the screen. I promise you can probably smell it. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? You see the shells starting to open up. The onions are opaque in color, and they're done. All we doing now is just teasing the pot. Yeah. Whip it real good. Whip it real good. Make sure we get it in there. I say you can smell it, but if you can't, I just want to let you know it's beautiful what I'm doing in this pot right now in the kitchen, because this thing has the entire kitchen smelling fabulous. Don't pay me no mind. I thought I saw a shell in here, but it's just a big mussel. Pop the shell wide open. Kind of tricky. Alright. Give you a little bit more love. Yes, sir. Doing our thug dizzle in the kitchen. Cooking with that therapy. And y'all follow me. Come in for a close-up. Oh man, look at it. Dive in. Don't you put your hand in that pot. These are my mussels. I don't mind sharing them. Look, beautiful, beautiful creation we just made. And this is a real quick, meal. You want something to razzle dazzle some guests real quick, You're gonna serve these hot as well, so make sure your guests are already at the house when you throw these in the pot, so they come straight out the pot and straight to the plate. Man, that smoke. I'm just playing with y'all. It's just beautiful. Beautiful. All right, and that's all it is to it. A lot of people requested this, so my pleasure to do it for you. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. See you on the high ground.